This is Seth with Quilting on a Budget. Today's video we are going to learn how to use the automatic needle threader on our TL18 QVP, affectionately known as the Haruka. Okay, so how I do this is I'm going to take my old thread and connect it to my new thread. Now I do that by snipping the thread that's already in there and tying a little knot to the thread that I'm going to now use, which in this case is the red one. Okay, so now that you got the red thread, or the new thread for you guys, tied to your old thread, we're going to put it up in the thread stand, and then we're going to go down. We need to make sure that our presser foot is up and our needle is also up. And make sure the thread is not through the eye of the needle. Now start gently tugging and it will start bringing your new thread that you're switching out through the top tension, the bottom tension, going through your take-up lever, and it will come down by your needle. Okay, before I push this down, I need to make sure that my thread is in this slot here. So like this, and then bring it around this bar down here. So it's just like that. Okay? Now, I'm going to push down on the button here, which is going to bring the needle threader, swing it around. I'm going to bring the thread under this bar and in this little groove right here, okay? Just like that, okay? Now let it go, and it'll pull it. Give it one more shot, like this. There we go. Now, it'll pull it just like that, and then gently work your thread, and there you go. Okay, so that was pretty easy. Now, with the needle threader, it might take you, a couple times to get used to using it. I think the trick is that you really want to just, boom, release it, because it's pulling that needle or the thread through the eye of the needle. So, might take you a couple times to get used to it. The other thing to remember is when the needle threader comes down, it's kind of shaped like this. You want to make sure you get the thread to go through that little slot, and you'll see what I'm talking about. And then that's it, through this slot, and then the little groove on the plastic thing, let it go, and boom, you got it. It's that easy. So that's it. This is Seth with Quilting on a Budget, using my awesome Haruka from Juki Junkies. If you would like to get a Haruka of your own or any other Juki accessories, check out JukiJunkies.com. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell notification so you can know the next time our new video comes out. Thanks.